$352,000 in profits at American Dream Trading. Yeah, absolutely.
Coach,
Yes.
green again, $200. Thank you.
Gosh, we got to get you like a badge of honor. You are killing it. Now, listen, I know you've been green every day, right? For 3 months.
Yes, coach.
But here's what I want. I don't want you to put any pressure on yourself that if you do have a red day, what I need you to look at, because the more this happens, the same with David, right? David has been green literally every day. Since he's done live Apple Chat, David has not had a red day, right? I need you guys to understand that. He's here every day. He's not had a red day in 4 months. And I need you both to hear me when I say this. Don't put so much pressure on yourselves in case you have a red day. I don't want you guys thinking about that. What I want you to think about is how many green days you've strung together. That is what is important, right?
100%.
Yes. So, and now with you, right, because we've retrained your brain and we're doing the right things. If you have a red day, it better not be a huge red day. It better be right in line with how much you are profiting. So now what would be your cutoff where you're like, I'm not trying to get that money back? So if you look at it, if your average is 200 you're making a day, then you better never fall below the average to the downside. Everybody hear that? Some people might say, if I have two bad trades, I'm done. One bad trade, I'm done. If it's green, one red trade, I'm done, right? Because there's nobody sitting with you to make you follow your rules. So whatever mental rules you have with yourself, that you will follow, right? Because just saying it doesn't mean anything, and you guys know that. Come up with what forces you to follow your rules. If we're having all green days that are 100 plus every day is green, and you have one out of 30, what do you guys care, right? So if you guys ever look at your P&Ls, I want you guys today, this will be a good lesson for all of you. Go back and look at your monthly P&L. Are your red days larger than your green days? That means your risk management is not on point. They should be right in line. If your normal day is 50, why the hell do you have a red day that's 80? If your normal day is 1,000, what the hell is this $2,300 loss for, right? Are we all on the same page here?
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach.
I want you guys to think about this. If those red days are larger than your green days, are you ever going to get ahead? You're just going to yo-yo, right? We want to build. You want to stack those little wins, because I promise you those little wins are going to add up. Ask David over there, who, by the way, David just had another, what, $1,400 freaking day? He's been doing that every single day. He started the $5, $10, $15, $30 days. I haven't seen David have under $1,000 day in months, right? No pressure, but I haven't seen him make less than $1,000 in months.
I am over 352 for the 2 years.
$352?
1,000.
350 in real money, not paper trading, right?
Yes, sir.
There you go, right? So I wanted them to hear it from you. $352,000 in profits at American Dream Trading.
Go, go, go.
That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.